Today we are going to learn about how to write a text on an image within the Python. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to import three of the libraries. So which are these libraries? We will import certain packages from library. So we will write from pil import image. So pil is our main library, while image is the sub method or sub module of this library. So from pil import image, from pil import image draw. Okay, again we will write from pil import image draw. Okay, image and draw. So this is the second library. Now we will import the third library, and that is the from pil import image font. Image font. Okay, now first these three are the libraries that are used for to write the text on the image, also to show the image on certain frame. So now we will declare a variable that is called as img_00. This is our variable in which we can store any sort of data. Okay, so now we have written is equal to, which is assignment operator, and it will read image and will store it inside this variable, that is img_00. So now we have a one function, that is the image open. Okay, image is the submodule, dot open is the function of that module. So image dot open. So this is and this thing. Now in these parentheses we need to insert certain, what is called as the certain like image. So we will go and okay, now we will go to properties of this image. We will copy the link, that is path of this file. Again go and paste it here. Again go to there and copy the name of the file, which is here, and .jpg is the extension. So we will put double slash, we will name, we will paste the name and like this. And also one more thing, that you also need to double every slash. Where there are slashes, they must be double. Okay, and after this we need to set the font. Okay, so we will write a variable that is called as the font type. So what in font type, what we will store? We will store all the things, all the informations regarding font inside this font type variable. You can change the name if you want, because it is just a variable. So image font type, image font dot true type, and this thing. Okay, now we will write here like Arial. Arial is the font type, and comma 40 is our size of the text. Okay, so these are information regarding the font. True type is a function that used to assign the certain properties, and then these properties will be stored inside this variable, that is the font type. Okay, font type. Now we will draw our image. So we will write I1 is equal to image draw. Okay, image dot draw img. Okay, img_00. So this thing will draw the image for us. Okay, so we will run it out, we will see what will happen. Okay, now okay, so this is done. Now we will write text on it. Okay, I1 dot text is the command for to put the text on the image. So it is text, then double brackets. We will write here rows and columns. So 68 comma 256 on 68th row and 256 column. On the image we need to draw what's called as the text. So we will write here nice flower, nice flower. Okay, this is the text. Okay, after this thing we need to go for our font. Font is equal to font type, because all the information are stored inside this variable, that is font type. And you know that this text is a function which used to write text, but we have to tell the function that it's a location, it's a string, that what needs to be written on the what's called as the image, and what are its font type, and all these informations must be given to the functions and be inserted inside these brackets. Also, they also write fill. Fill is for to like color, that we want, if we want to fill them, fill is equal to, it's like 255, 0, it's the value of R, G and B. Okay, R, G, B. So it is entirely red, because red is 255, blue is 0, and green is also 0. So now we need to run it out. We will see either it's working. Yes, it is okay, it's compiling. Now we will write img_00 dot show. Show function will do what? Show function will show us the image. Okay, now we need to run it and we will see our image. Okay, wait, we need to run it out. So here it is written nice flower, you can see. And one more thing, that font is equal to font type and nice flower. Okay, we need to like put double brackets here, like this, and 255, 0, 0, and this thing, and also we need to play it like comma here. Okay, now if you want to save that file, we will write img_00 dot save. Okay, if you want to save the file, save, and this, and okay, we will copy all this. We will change the name a bit so that they will not be overlapped. Okay, so like this. Okay, now we will also put the values of 255 here. Okay, wait, it is something like okay, now we also need to change the what's called as the we also need to change the size, and 168, 256. Okay, so okay, also we have to write the fill with with small thing, okay, rather than the big capital one. Okay, now you can see that now our font size and colors are changed. Okay, now it is in yellow. Okay, now we will write 390, and now you will see it will be a little big. Okay, yeah, nice flower. Okay, now if you want to like R, G and B, if you want to this 0, then it will turn green. I think R, G and B is green. Okay, and if we want to like if it is like some other color, we can write here 78, and we will see what it will do. Okay, now wait, we need to run it out. Okay, 78 and 278, all the 278 value is not valid. Okay, so 248. Okay, so now it is cyan color. So in this way you can write the text on any image within the Python. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.